Alright, now we have this on the board. Y is equal to x. Find the y dx. I am going to use first principle method of differentiation to differentiate this function. Now we have to find the y dx given this y is equal to x. So first, let's write down the equation as y is equal to x. Now, whenever you want to solve differentiation using first principle method, now you can add the change in y to this side and add change in x to this side. Now this equation now becomes y plus the change in y is equal to x plus change in x. Now what we are going to do is to move y to the other side. So we are going to have the change in y is now equal to x plus change in x. When this crossover, we are going to have minus y. But y is equal to x from here. Okay, so y is equal to x. So this now becomes change in y is equal to x plus change in x. Now y now is what? Minus x. So this cancel out this, you are left with change in y is equal to what? Change in x. You divide both sides by change in x. So if you do that, you are going to have change in y is equal to change in x. Divide this side by change in x and divide this side by change in x. So if this one cancel out this, we see that now we know that change in y all over change in x is the same thing as dy dx. So since this is equal to this, that means change in x divided by the change in x is 1. So therefore dy dx is now equal to 1. That is the final answer. Share and follow us for more tips like this. Bye.